Lately, my piano gives lots of noises, so I'll try to fix it today. Of course, I have learned how to fix it from the internet. The best tutorial I could find is from Brigham Larson. He recommended not wet or oily lubricant, but Telfon powder because it's white and doesn't look dirty. And my order of Telfon powder has arrived already. The most often used pedal is the right damper pedal. So-called pedal noises normally mean here. Let's hear the pedal noise and remove the kneeboard easily. Tap the pedal. Check what moving parts are giving noises and what are not. Many noises are from the pedal connecting to the horizontal bar. I eagerly unscrewed those and tried to apply Telfon powder. But you should wait. I'm telling you 4 things I wish I had known before I unscrewed my pedal loose. But no DIY videos talks about this, so I didn't know, got stuck, and learned this the hard way. That's why I'm making this video to save you time and frustrations. These are related to how the pedals in the bottom part of the piano are connected to the upper part of the piano, where the keys are located and the sound is generated. Before loosening the pedal screw, Number 1, you have to learn the pedal mechanism and can be very gentle with the delicate parts in the piano. If you feel overwhelmed with all those parts, hiring a professional service may be a better option. If you want to learn, in the next 5 minutes of your precious time, you will learn necessary pedal mechanism and noise fixing for all 3 pedals. Before loosening the pedal screw, Number 2, find out about how much room the vertical rod has to move up and down. Knowing this, when you tighten the pedal screw later, you won't be clueless. Before loosening the pedal screw, Number 3, find out how the top of the vertical pedal rod is connected to other parts of the piano. In my U3, it stands beneath a tiny black cap. Be sure you know where it is. I loosened my damper pedal without such knowledge, so I didn't even know what to look for. After I realized to look for a small black cap, it's still hard to find it because it is so tiny and hidden behind. This led to my realization of a small flaw in the U3 damper rod design. The vertical rod and the horizontal bar are the 2 big pieces connecting the pedal to the damper. The horizontal bar has a pivot point in the middle and is held down at the pedal by the screw. As soon as the pedal screw is loosened, its horizontal bar will lever up at the screw location, then of course down at the rod location. The pedal rod is not attached to the tiny black cap in any way, therefore it will drop due to gravity. When you screw the pedal back on, you need to make sure the rod is connected to the black cap properly. Because they are so far apart, it is almost impossible to accomplish the connection by yourself. You need someone or some special tool to help you. I wonder how this flaw is missed in such a marvelously engineered piano. Before you unscrew the pedal, Number 4, look how and how much the damper moves away from the string when you press the pedal and moves back to the string when you release the pedal. Only after you understand all these things you are ready to unscrew the pedal. To show my high respect to you, my viewers, although only a few. I reopened the piano, repeated the process for this recording. Therefore, you will see white powders already on the previously squeaky parts. Have I earned your thumbs up or subscription? I generously lubricated the screw area, pivot point area, and the area where the rod connected to the horizontal bar, including the little felt there. After all the lubrication, my husband gently held the right vertical rod to its tiny black cap while I screwed the pedal back on. I hope Yamaha has already improved the pedal rod design, so such coordination won't be needed for their more recent pianos. how tight you should screw it down? You have good ideas already if you follow all the points I gave. If the damper pedal works for all the keys before but not after, it's very likely the damper spacing isn't right. You can fine-tune how tight the pedal screw is to make sure all keys and pedals work as expected. Now the soft pedal. When it is pressed on my U3, the whole hammer wheel is pushed upward. This will make the hammers stress the strings in different ways to soften the sound. Your left soft pedal is also noisy because it has similar configuration as the right damper pedal. You can follow the same procedure to fix it. Finally, the middle pedal. Some U3 pianos have a sostenuto pedal, which has a fancy function that probably only the most advanced pianists desire to have. My U3 has a practice pedal, which is very useful if you don't have a private soundproof room. Once you slide the middle pedal to the left, a curtain is locked between the hammers and strings. The curtain significantly reduces the sound and also protects the hammers and strings to last longer. Because the middle pedal is not pressed often, if it is related to some squeaky noise, the noise is normally not by the pedal area, but at the spring of the curtain rail on the upper side of the piano. You can use Telfon to lubricate here. Just be careful not to drop any powder on the hammers or the springs, any delicate parts of the piano. Once you know the pedal mechanism, fixing their noises is so easy. Before covering the piano up, you may play some notes to make sure the pedal feels right to your foot, the sound good to your ears. Thanks for watching, likes and subscribing.